In this video, I'll guide you through how to mute a Webex meeting. Whether you're in a bustling environment or just need to keep things silent on your end, knowing how to quickly mute your microphone during a Webex meeting is essential. Let's dive into the steps to make sure you're always prepared to mute when needed. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to webex.com. This is your starting point for accessing all your Webex meetings and settings. Make sure you're logged in with your Webex credentials. If you're not already logged in, just follow the prompts to enter your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Webex dashboard. Next, locate the Meetings tab. This is usually displayed prominently on the top menu. Clicking here will bring you to the section where all your scheduled meetings are listed. If you have upcoming meetings, you'll see them here, and you can manage or join them as needed. Now, you're going to want to click Start. This button is typically next to the meeting you wish to join. Starting the meeting will initialize the Webex meeting interface and get you prepared to enter the meeting space. Once you've clicked Start, you'll likely see a button that says Start a Meeting. Click this to launch your meeting session. This is where you get everything set up before others join. Take a moment here to ensure your camera and microphone settings are the way you want them. Finally, let's focus on muting your microphone. Look towards the bottom of your screen and you should find the mute button. It's usually represented by a microphone icon. Clicking this will mute your microphone, ensuring that no background noise or unintended sounds are transmitted to the meeting participants. A red line across the microphone icon typically indicates that the mute function is active. And there you have it. You've successfully muted your microphone in a Webex meeting. Remember, you can toggle this on and off anytime you need to speak or stay silent. It's a simple yet powerful feature that helps maintain professionalism and clarity in your virtual meetings. If you often host or join meetings, becoming comfortable with these controls can significantly improve your experience and the experience of others in the meeting. Practice using the mute function a few times so that it becomes second nature, allowing you to focus more on the meeting's content rather than technical details. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on optimizing your Webex experience. Have a great day and happy meeting.